So you just pushed her back.
That's what you have to do. Is like when somebody tries to hurt you,
Okay.
you got to take care of business.
So you took care of business.
Well, I downsized that issue.
Okay. Well, that's why you're going to jail tonight. Plus the marijuana that was found on your person. Yeah. That's illegal.
Welcome to the Ed Ready Room for men who get stuff done. Good luck out there. No matter what kind of stuff we do, we have to get ready to do it. And when we're getting ready to get ready, we get ready with...
You act like you're walking on hot coals. That's funny. Tail straight up in the air. Tell me she's not a happy cat. Look at that. Look at that tail. Every textbook says, tail straight up, that's a happy cat. Where you going, huh? Where you going? Oh, you're a munchkin, man. My liver butt alone. It's a difference in size.
Well-qualified lefties can get a 2011 Jeep Compass Sport 4x2 for $239 a month.
I love you guys. I mean, just, the whole heist thing. All right, let's do this. All right, come on, life changes your mind. Go.
Movies right when you want them. Watch unlimited TV episodes and movies instantly, all for only $8 a month from Netflix.
Join me, the Walt Fox 40, Saturday the 25th at the Summer Pleasure. Stay alive and you can win this car signed by your favorite country artist. On Sunday, on the home MasterChef, the top 18 amateurs enter the MasterChef kitchen for the first time. Big place will make a breakfast. Now the real competition begins. No real respect at all here. Rivalries heat up.
His arrogance is through the roof.
The challenges get more intense. There's elimination just around the corner. And one